Hi everyone, welcome to Math Day 2. Today is March 25th, it's a Wednesday. Yesterday we started working on even and odd, and today we're going to do the same thing. Let's take a look at our warm-up problem. Eggs come in cartons of 12. Joanna's mom used one egg. Explain whether the amount that she has left is even or odd. What number are we starting with? The number that we're starting with is 12. Joanna's mom used one egg. If you use one egg, do you think you'll be adding it or taking it away? If you use an egg, you would be taking it away. So we will subtract 1. Our whole is 12. Our part is 1. 12 minus 1 is 11. If you answered 11, you are correct. What is the unit that we are working with? Today we are talking about eggs. It's important that we always write the unit so that we don't get confused about what we're talking about. This was not the question, though. The question was, explain whether the amount she has left is even or odd. She has 11 eggs left. Is 11 even or odd? Let's try a strategy to solve. We know that if we want to find out if a number is odd or even, we can put it into 2 parts to see if we can make a doubles fact. I'm going to distribute 11 into my 2 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Uh-oh, what do you notice? Are my groups even? My groups are not even. This group has 6. This group has 5. Because they are not even, I cannot make a doubles fact. Because I cannot make a doubles fact, I know that this is not even. This is odd. The amount that Joanna's mom has left is odd. Good work. We just did this. 12 minus 1 equals 11. And 11 is odd. 12 is an even number. We know that because if we distributed 12 into 2 groups, we would get a doubles fact. Let me show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Our doubles fact would be 6 plus 6 equals 12. 12 is even. Another way that we know that 12 is even is that it has a 2 in the ones place. 2 is an even number. Whatever strategy you use to remember that, know that 12 is an even number. If we take 1 away, we get an odd number. We took 1 away, our groups are not even. I want you to try the next one on your own. 27 is an odd number. Since 27 is odd, we will add 1. Will we get an even or an odd number in response? 27 plus 1 equals 28. Is 28 even or odd? 28 is even. We just discovered a pattern. If you have an even number, like the number 12, and you take away 1, you will get an odd number. An even number minus 1 is an odd number. An odd number plus 1 is an even number. Let's take a look back at the number line we used yesterday. On this number line, you see that every other number is an even number. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Those numbers are all even. If you take 1 away from an even number, you will get an odd number. If you add 1 to an even number, you will get an odd number. That's because every other number is even. This is a pattern that you can use to help determine if a number is even or odd. Good work, friends. Let's challenge ourselves with a tricky application problem. Miss Teverow has an even number of flowers in her garden. Then she plants more flowers in her garden. The number of flowers she has altogether is an odd number, which shows how many flowers she could have now. We know that Miss Teverow starts with an even number. We know that the number that she has at the end is an odd number. Our starting number will be even, and our ending number will be odd. Let's look at each equation to see if we can figure out the answer. Is 9 an even number? No, 9 is not an even number. So A will not be the best answer. We could cross it right out. Let's look at B. Is 10 an even number? Yes, 10 is an even number. She added more, and she got 16. Is 16 an odd number? No, 16 is not an odd number. 16 is an even number. So B is also not the best answer. Let's take a look at C. She starts with an even number. Is 11 an even number? No, 11 is not an even number. Do we need to continue? No, C is not the best answer. I hope D is correct. Let's take a look. D starts with the number 12. Is 12 an even number? Yes, 12 is an even number. She plants more flowers in her garden. The number she has altogether is an odd number. Is 17 an odd number? Yes, 17 is an odd number. So D is our best answer. Even plus odd equals odd. Good work, my friends.